Hey, Buckskin Bill here with another fun project. Today we'll be taking things out of the great outdoors and into the kitchen again. As a whitetail hunter, I like to use as much of the deer as possible. So today I'll show you how I take the leg bones of the deer and make stock. Let's get started. I like to start with cutting up some root vegetables like carrots and onion with some garlic. I will roast the bones with a little meat on them and the vegetables at 375 degrees for about 45 minutes. At the halfway mark, I will flip the bones over to brown them on both sides evenly. I will add the roasted vegetables and bones along with the juices to a pot of boiling water. I will then add celery and a few bay leaves for flavor. I've also roasted the celery in the past, but today I'm just adding it after the roasting. I allowed this to simmer and cook for about 18 hours. I wanted to mention here that I saw the bones in half with a hacksaw to allow the bone marrow to enhance the flavor. After I strain it, I chill it and then skim off the excess fat. I will then heat it again before pouring it into ice cube trays to be frozen. I store the stock in ice cube form in gallon Ziploc bags. This makes it much easier later on to take only what I need. If you like the video, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. And as always, thanks for watching.